Welcome to the course on Mastering Computer Vision with OpenCV and Python, where you'll learn all the techniques required to be a computer vision specialist, allowing you to launch a career in computer vision or implement that cool startup idea you had. Hi, my name is Rajiv, and I'll be your course instructor. I'm an electrical and computer engineer with a master's degree in artificial intelligence from the University of Edinburgh. I started my career in telecommunications, however I transitioned into data science and computer vision after completing my master's. Since then, I've been involved in several computer vision startups and have become very passionate about the field. I designed this course to expose students to all key areas as well as the most modern areas of computer vision, and at the end of the course you'll be able to build advanced computer vision applications that can actually be used in the real world. I'll be teaching using almost 50 examples, and you'll be implementing 12 awesome mini projects. And these projects include creating your own face filters, making a live sketch of yourself, pedestrian identification, car identification, facial landmark tracking, shape identification, face swaps, face recognition, and handwritten digit recognition. The ideal students are anyone who wishes to embark on a computer vision project, and that ranges from total beginners looking just to build something cool, or entrepreneurs looking to launch a new startup. Also college students who are looking to learn key concepts before starting computer vision research projects, and even experienced programmers looking to diversify their career. There are no prerequisites for this course except your enthusiasm. I assume as little prior knowledge as possible, and I try to make complex topics as simple as possible. So feel free to look at the course contents below, and I look forward to seeing you inside.